वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः येनक्षर समामन्यम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
तत्र येन अक्षरसमाम्नायं
ओके महोदय
अस्तु
And also, Mahoday, it is not Param Brahma. It is Param Brahma. It is not a, because here Brahma is a Brahman, not Brahmaji. So when the Param
Brahma iti dirghaha nasti.
Nasti. Okay. Mahoday, what I want to know is in Upasarga, for Dhatu, we add the Pradigana, and what is the resultant thing it comes? Is it a verb? Or I know it is not a dhatu because we are adding a pradigana to dhatu. So what is that resultant stuff called?
Avyayam kila.
So let's say
see, when you add upasarga, it becomes lyap
No.
Lyap nasti. When you add upasarga, it is avyaya only. Always remember, after adding upasarga, can you bring it into vibhaktis?
Mahodaya, my question is this. Let's take prapnoti, for example. Pra is the upasarga there. Okay. Now, prapnoti is a tinantam pradam.
It's a kriya padam.
It's a kriya padam. So, when we add a pradigana to a dhatu, does it become a tinantam pradam?
You must give me one example.
Yeah, my example is same, say propta.
Prapta. There are tatra praptaha iti.
Right.
Then you can derive. If you are able to decline it into vibhaktis, then it is
Subanta. Correct. Yeah. So my question is, when we, so can it be, okay, let me ask you this. Bhudhatu, to be. When we add anu, which is a pradigana, it becomes anu, let's say anubhavati. He experiences, I think that is the meaning, anubhavati. So anubhavati, the word anubhavati is a verb, right? Okay, so when we add a pradigana to a dhatu, the resultant stuff, what is it? Is it a verb? Or if it can be declined, will it be a subanta?
It depends on the case.
I see. So it can be both. Okay. All right.
Like praptaha, prapta, praptam. Then it becomes, it can be derived into vibhaktis, declined into vibhaktis.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha, Mahoday. Yes.
Actually, they are krudantas, but with them you can decline into vibhaktis.
Mahoday, can you tell me what krudanta once again, please? Krudanta?
Krut anta. Krut anta, krudanta.
Okay. Okay.
Astu. Adya aham चिन्तितवती भवन्तः एव सहपाठीन् प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ति प्रथमं गायत्री महोदये भवती हरप्रसाद महोदयं पृच्छतु महोदयः उत्तरं ददाति तदनन्तरं सः हर्षा महोदयां पृच्छति एवं कुर्मः
From which one,
महोदय
topic? I was asking for the topic only.
Topic you decide. Whatever is there for your exam, you can ask.
Before we start, can we just clarify some questions we have? Gayatri Mahoday, you want to ask that?
That July 21 question paper, Mahoday. In that, and the question first, the second part, the question that then Chaya Manyasya for the Subhashitam. I'll take that 1 minute.
Yeah, in that the question is Vrikshaha Kutra Tishtanti.
Kutra Tishtanti.
Vrikshaha Atape Tishtanti.
Atape Tishtanti.
Chayam Anyasya Kurvanti. They give shelter to shade to others.
Others.
Swayam Atape Tishtanti. Swayam. They themselves.
Okay.
अन्य प्रश्नः?
Mahoday.
In the last 10 questions, answer any 10 questions. 1 minute. 8th question, Mahoday. Buddhiman kim karoti?
बुद्धिमान शिष्यस्य प्रश्नः वा?
No, we don't know, Mahoday. It's all mixed up. That is the thing. It's all mixed up. So, annotation is separately there. Then again, separately we have to answer any 10 questions.
And in that, I think many of the questions come from the examples given in each chapter. I saw that actually. Like last time I asked, no?
Can you give the answer, Mahoday, Sundari Mahoday? Buddhiman kim karoti? 8th question. Buddhiman kim karoti?
I don't know.
Is it okay if we answer based on the Subhashitam, Mahoday? It's okay.
It will be Subhashitam or Katha.
Katha.
Buddhiman uttaram karoti.
Or we can write Buddhiman Shvaha karyani adya karoti.
Yeah, that is a Subhashitam.
तदेव लिखतु।
Mahodaya, in case the answers come from the Subhashitam or from the Prahelika, I think the best to answer that, isn't it?
आम् आम्
अहम् एकं प्रश्नम् अस्ति अस्मि महोदय। January 2017 द्वितीय भाग fill in the gaps. भारत देशः blank देशः, and in the bracket they give the answer vayam, asmakam, mama. So mama is a ekvachanam,
Asmakam.
asmakam is a bahuvachanam. So Bharat Desha, Mama Desha or Asmakam Desh. I think both are correct.
both are correct.
Both are correct, right? Okay, that's the only question I have.
You had one more question, right, Mahodaya?
We had one more question, Mahodaya. No, which one? Priya, do you remember?
Okay.
Marge,
Blank. Yeah, Marge.
Gachati, something related.
Yanam blank Gachati. And in the bracket they give the answer Margam, Marge, and another thing.
Can you please repeat?
Yanam,
Yanam.
Yanam blank Gachati.
Mm.
And in the bracket, they give the answer Margam, Marge,
Margasya.
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 You tell me what can be the
Is it Marge?
Marge.
No, you should not ask. You should tell me the answer.
I
There's
will
another
write it
2
as
weeks you have
Marge.
exam.
We all not Marge.
Marge.
But Acharya Mahoday, aham suchayati Margam, because Gam Dhatu is come. So before that, Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. That's why I'm telling that Margam, because of that rule. But they say that no, Yanam is there, so it's supposed to be a Marge. But that's why we are confused.
So what does this Gam Dhatu rule say? Explain that.
Gam Dhatu rule says that whenever the Gam Dhatu will come, it always have a Dvitiya Vibhakti before it.
It is Margam then.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling that it is Margam.
You should be confident, no?
Yeah, that's
Astu. Margam eva tatra.
and another confusing, it's confusing question little bit. Blank Jivanam Paropkartham. And in the bracket they give Nadyaha, Nadyaha, Nadihi. So
can you repeat?
yes, blank Jivanam Paropkartham.
Nadyaha. Nadyaha should be the right.
That's what Sasti Vibhakti, right? Yeah. But it's little require a thinking power. It's confusing little bit. In 2017, all this question is 2017.
अस्तु. अन्य प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु, इदानीं एवं कुर्वन्तु, एकैकं प्रश्नं पृच्छति, अन्ये उत्तरं ददाति, एवं. Ask from any topic related to your exams, this Pravesha book.
Gayatri Mahodaya, Prarambham karo.
Namaste Mahodaya, Haraprasad Mahodaya. Kati kavyani santi. Nama likatu, lama vadatu. कति काव्यानि सन्ति?
कति
Kriti
कति
Kav-
काव्यानि सन्ति? Wait 1 minute. I'm just confused. 1 minute. Wait. 1 minute,
Anyone
please.
else can do till she is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can somebody explain word by word this sangraha vishayaha? It is a stotra about Ganesha.
Sangrahya Vishayaha.
Sangrahya vishayaha.
Mm.
Correct. This is about Ganesha. I want to know the word by word explanation. Agajanana Padmarkam, Gajanana Maharnisham,
Gajananam Aharnisham.
Gajananam
Aharnisham.
Aharnisham, I say. Gajananam Aharnisham, Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam, Ekadantam Umas. Umas Mahe.
Ekadantam Upasmahe.
Ekadantam Upasmahe. Okay. Agajanana. Gaja, there it is Gaja. What is Agajanana?
Gajanana.
Has the face of an elephant.
What, okay. Explain to me how Agajanana becomes the face of an elephant.
Gajana.
I think Acharya Mahodaya, kindly explain. We only know it is the face of an elephant.
No, this is your exam. You can't ask me, no?
No. Exam time you won't ask, but now it's preparation.
Tatra Agajanana ityukte Aga is Parvata.
Parvata. Okay. Okay.
Agajanana ityukte
Parvati.
As big as a Parvata?
Parvati.
Agaja ityukte ka.
Agaja means Parvati. Yeah,
Parvati.
Parvati. Agaja is Parvati. Parvati.
Tadanantaram Agaja
Nanam.
iti na.
Padmarkam. Padmarkam. Her face.
Lotus face.
Arkaha ityukte kaha.
Agaja.
Suryaha.
Padmarkam.
Padma Arkaha. Padmarkam. Padma ityukte lotus.
Right. So,
Tadanantaram.
no, Mahodaya, Ekanamikya. So, you said Agaja is Parvati, then Anana, Padma, Arkam. Okay. So,
Mahodaya, can you tell that? Arka Anana Padma. When the lotus, when she sees the sun.
Arka Anana Padma iti nasti. Lotus, when does a lotus bloom?
When the sun
comes out.
When the sun comes out, when the sun rays touch the lotus, it blooms. So
similar way,
that time, how the lotus blooms by the rays of the sun, her face, Parvati's face, is like that lotus.
When she sees her son.
yeah.
Gajananam Aharnisham.
what is Aharnisham?
Ahaha. Nisha.
Aha.
Aha. Day and night.
Oh, day and night. Okay. 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 Gajana. Okay. So how does, okay, please explain to me, how is Gajanana Ahernisham?
Gajananam.
Oh, Gajananam.
Karnisham.
Ahernisham.
So, so what is the meaning, Mahoday?
Gajananam Ahernisham Upasmahe.
I worship.
Day and night I worship the God,
Who has
Vinayaka,
face of an elephant?
Can you, somebody, there's a lot of disturbance.
Yes, those who have understood this well, they can explain. It's better you teach each other.
Okay. Anybody can explain it to me, please.
I pray to the God who has an elephant face, and by seeing whom Parvati's face blooms like a lotus seeing the sun. How lotus blooms in the sun's rays, her face, Parvati's face also blooms, seeing Ganesha's face. And he gives many boons. Anega Datta Bhaktanam, for the bhaktas, for the devotees, he grants many boons. He has one trunk, Ekadantam. See, he has an elephant face and he has only one trunk.
Okay.
I go to him.
Okay, Gayatri Mahoday, where is the word for boons here?
Huh?
Where is the word in Sanskritam for boons? You said boons.
Anegatam tam.
What does it mean? Anekadam.
Anekadam. See, aneka, more.
Anekavaram iti vaktum shakyate va?
Na, Mahoday.
Many times.
Many. Tam bhaktana, anekadam tam bhaktanam.
His question is, which is the word for boon?
Correct. That's what I'm asking.
Boon. So in that, which is the word for boon? Is it dam?
Tatra agaja Parvati. Aga ityukte parvataha. Agaja parvatasya apatyam. Ataha Parvati.
Kumari. Okay.
Agaja. Anana. Face. Ananam. Agajanana. Padma arkam. Yasyaha ananam Surya Rashmyaha Karanat Katham Vikasati Tadrasham Parvatyaha Ananam Vikasati. Kada Vikasati? Gajananam Društva. Gajananasya karanena. Kada Vikasati? Day and night. Aharnisham.
Oh, okay.
Anekadam. Danam iti. Dadati ityasti kila.
Yeah, da, it is not da, extension.
अत्र समासः अभवत् अतः तत्र अनेकदम् इति स्वीकरणीयम् अनेक बहुवारं ददाति grants or gives तं गजाननं कीदृशं भक्तानां भक्तानां दम् अत्र अनेकदम् इत्युक्ते एतदपि स्वीकरणीयम् तत्र सः अस्मान् सर्वं ददाति इति तादृशं गजाननम् एकदन्तम् वयम् उपास्महे अवगतं वा?
And upasmahe means what is the meaning? Correct meaning? Pray.
उपासनां कुर्महे.
Upasanam kurmahe. What is upasana?
Upa-asana.
Oh, okay. And upasana means sitting nearby. Okay.
Sitting nearby ityukte you will keep on thinking about him or contemplating about him.
Okay. Okay. I see. So there is no word for boon here then.
Atra boon iti nasti.
Okay.
So he gives what he gives boons. Can we take like that?
Means it automatically happens like that. You have to understand.
Okay.
Once you start contemplating, many times things happen naturally. No.
Yeah.
Like that you have to take. Here directly they have not said in this shloka. It is not direct that varam dadati evam nasti tatra.
Yeah. See, because I was trying to say the translation they give in, I have seen this in 2-3 shlokas like this. They don't, I mean, it gives kind of a general meaning. It does not match word by word or anything.
Yeah.
It's hard to understand that.
Very true. Very true.
Very true. You are right about that. We did and we don't remember it.
See, actually why they have given simple meaning is because if they keep on explaining everything, beginners may not be able to grasp everything. See, you people have taken 1 year, but many people want to write in 3 months or 4 months. So for such people, it may not be, it may not motivate them if too much of explanation is given.
Correct.
Okay.
That's why they have given simple meaning. Understand?
Yeah, so many grammatical aspects will come and then that has to be explained. So it becomes a big process.
Yes.
But is it okay if we write whatever they have given as the meaning?
Whatever they have given, that is enough.
Okay.
Not to worry too much because at this level, they don't ask you for samasas and all those things.
Yeah. So overall meaning.
Yes, that's
Okay.
all. Samasa comes in the 3rd level, not at this level. So don't worry.
Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah, that's I think explains everything.
Yeah, it is clear now.
Yeah, I got it also.
Agree?
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Okay. I'm glad my turn is over. The next one, please.
No, you ask question.
Okay. I had a question on Dasha. Let's see. Please proceed. I will ask. I have one more. I'm looking for the page number.
गायत्री महोदय भवती पृच्छतु, हर्षा महोदयां पृच्छतु.
I can continue later. You can go ahead. 1 minute.
Can anyone explain? Kim ichchati naraha kashayam.
काश्याम.
Kashyam. Sorry, Kashyam.
Bhupanam ko iti arthah.
Bhupanam ko rane hitah. Ko vandah vandyah sarvadevanam diyatapemaka muttaram.
Diyatam
ekam
Gayatri Mhoday, you should learn to read slowly. Then you will not make mistakes. In the exam also, if you run like this, you will tend to lose marks because you will not be able to understand properly. So read slowly, speak slowly. Yes. Harsha Mahoday.
Harsha Mahodaya asked for some time. She just stepped away, I think.
Oh, okay. Astu. Priya Mahodaya va?
I will
Hina
speak.
Hina Mahodaya asti. Vadatu Mahodaya.
So, what does a man wish in Kashi? If so, they wish a death over there. And Bhupanam ko rane hitah means what does a king wish when war is going on? So when war is going on, he wishes the Vijay, means conquer the land. And Ko Vanta Sarva Devanam, who is more worshipped in the world? The Shiva is more worshipped. Diyatam
Mrityunjaya.
Right? So
Diyatam ekam
uttaram. So you give one word for that.
Mrityunjaya.
So Mrityunjaya it is.
Astu. Idanim bhavati pruchhatu.
I will ask how many Upanishad are there?
How many?
Upanishad.
Upanishads. Okay.
Yeah, there are 108
108.
Upanishads are main.
108. Yeah, and can you name the
10 main Upanishads are there.
10 Upanishads? Yeah.
Isha, Knina, Katto, Upanishad, Prashna, Mundaka, Mandukya, Taitriya, Brihadaranya, Chandokya, and Aitreya.
Yeah.
Brihadaranyaka, if I have to say.
Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Yeah, I just said the front part. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Brihadaranyaka.
Mahodaya, in that connection, yeah, I know the 10 Upanishads. Why does it show in the second part of the shloka that they have given, Aitareyam cha Chandhogyam? Why do they use Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana?
Where is it? Can you tell me the page number?
Okay. Yeah, it is in
38.
38. It says, yeah, Isha Kena Khata Prashna Munda Mandukya Titari. So there is no Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana here. But when you go to the second part of the sloka, Aitareyam cha Chandogyam.
It is related to, again, it is related to samasas only. There are done some samasa there, so not to worry about.
Okay, got it. All right. Yeah.
Can somebody answer Pancha Mahakavyas and their authors?
Abhijnana Shakuntalam.
Aha, Pancha Mahakavya. Raghuvansham.
Raghuvansham.
Raghuvansham Kalidasa.
Raghuvansham and Kumar Sambhavam by Kalidasa.
Good.
Kirat Arjuniam. Kirat Arjuniam by Bharavi.
Bharavi, very good.
And Das Kumar Charitam.
Dasha Kumar
Charitam. Dasha Kumar Charitam by
no, Dasha Kumara's Charitam doesn't come for Pancha Mahakavyam.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. 1 minute.
Shishupala
Vadanam by Magh.
Shishupala Vadham.
Vadam. Shishupala Vadham.
Shishupala Vadhaha iti manye. Shishupala Vadhaha.
Vadaha, 1 minute, I will see. Shishupala Vadaha by Magh and Magha. And one is 1 minute. Shishupala Vadanam and
Vadhaha.
Vadaha.
Vadhama. Shishupala Vadham va. There also
Naishadhiya Charitam.
Naishadhiya Charitam by Sri Harsha.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. The book it is given as Vadham. Shishupala Vadham. Mahodaya.
Shishupala Vadham va?
Vadham lik.
Okay. What is the page number? Where was this?
131.
131.
Raghuvansham Kumara Sambhavam Kiradarjuniyam Shishupala Naishadhiya Charitam.
We get mixed up. Sometimes we get mixed up.
Yeah.
So this is how while discussing we can remember it. Yeah.
Okay. Here is the Pancha Mahakavya. Okay.
Agree?
Samyukta Aksharani ityukte kim?
Aham vadami. Samyukta Aksharani means it is the combination of two Vyanjanas without a swara in between them. That is the definition of Samyukta Akshar.
Uttam.
Yeah.
Can you give an example, Mahodaya?
Sure. Let's take let me look. I don't have handy, but okay, here you go. Twam. No, twam, not tma, ma.
Oh.
Ma, not twam, ma. Ta and a ma. Halanta ta and a ma. See here, these are two Vyanjanas there is no swara in between them. When you combine them, it is ma. It is half of ta and a ma. Do you follow? Okay. And like that, there are in page number 5, there are examples.
Yeah. 2 or more consonants joined without the intervention of vowels.
Yeah.
Make a conjunct consonant.
Consonant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Conjunct consonant is what?
That is samyukta.
Samyukta. Yeah, correct. I think the only one we have to remember is the last letter in the Samyuktakshara will be a full letter all the time. All
the first one is half.
Yeah, the first one, the middle one, and all those things. But the last one will be always a full one.
For example, ikya, it will be half and ya is full.
Yes, correct. Yeah. If you look at all that, you can see that the last akshara is a full akshara.
Agree?
I had it. Let's see this.
अग्रे कः पृच्छति?
कोऽपि नास्ति चेत् अहं पृच्छामि। वर्षा महोदय आगच्छति।
Okay. Let me ask. Sharnavati.
Come again, please.
Sharnavati.
What is the question?
Write the numbers.
I will say. Can I speak?
Yeah.
Sharnavati.
Sharnavati is 96.
Shannavati. It is Shannavati.
Shannavati.
Yeah. Shannavati is 96.
96.
Yeah.
What is the Sanskrit equivalent for Almirah?
Almirah. Kapatika.
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 Switch.
Huh?
Pinjaha.
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 Oh, Pinjaha is a switch. Yeah.
Then ladies finger.
Ladies finger.
Bindinakam.
Bindinakam. And curry leaves.
Krishna Palagam.
Krishna Palagam.
No, Krishna Palagam is
No, Krishna Palagam.
Krishna Nimbam.
Krishna Nimbam. Krishna Nimbam.
Then hibiscus.
Hibiscus is a pot.
Jasanda.
No,
Japakusamam.
Japakusamam. Correct.
Mahodaya, the one sloka comes, no? Japakusumas
Sankashe.
Correct. About Surya, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haripriya Mahodaya, there is one sloka on Surya. It says, Deya Sada Savitru Mandala Madhyavarti Narayana. Actually, it is about Narayana more than Surya. Because it talks about Narayana who shines in the center of the sun's orb. So he is seated on a lotus like that. So they say it is a sloka. And next sloka is on Surya Bhagavan. The first one is more on Narayana than on Surya.
But what we say is Surya Narayana. In our language, we worship like Surya Narayana. Surya Narayana Devta, like that.
Now, from the way the sloka talks about, it talks about Narayana who resides in the center of the sun's orb, and about his garments, etc. So, it's just an observation.
Astu. Agre?
What is the name for jackfruit? Panasaphalam. Is it okay to write just Panasam also, Mahodaya? Panasam. Drumstick.
I know.
Shipru.
Shigruhu.
Not brew. It's grew, right?
Grew.
Grew. Shigruhu.
What about a serving spoon with holes in it?
Darvi. No.
Darvi. Okay.
I have written all of it and kept it in front of my fridge. Like I've stuck it in front of my fridge so that I can see. Otherwise, I won't remember.
That's a good idea.
Can you name well-known Rupakas in Sanskritam and their authors?
That is Abhijnana Shakuntalam one, right? Which I
Abhijnana
answered.
Shakuntalam.
Uttara Ramacharitra.
Very good. Bhavabhuti.
By Bhavabhuti, yeah.
And Swapna Vasa.
Vasavadatta.
Vasa.
Veni Samhara.
Sudrakaha.
Agre.
Meghdutaha.
Kalidasa.
Kalidasaha.
Meghdutah va Meghdootam va?
Meghdootam. Dhanyavada Mahodaya. Yeah, Meghdootam. In fact, everything ends. If you look at it, all those things ends with Raghuvamsham, Meghdootam,
Kumara Sambhavam.
Everything ends with a Makara.
Tvam mantri sthane tishta.
Tvam
Mantri sthane tishta.
Etat vakya from Buddhimana Shishya.
No.
No. Vidya Mahatvam. Vidyaya Mahatvam. Ramu and two friends. Ramu is interested in study in education, and Soma is interested in earning money.
No, Rama is
Ramaha is interested in learning. Ramaha is interested. No, when you are saying in English, we can say Ramaha. So I'm telling like this. Ramu is interested in learning. Somu is interested in earning money. So both of them go, after learning and earning, they are coming back. While coming back, Somu lost all his wealth to the thieves.
Okay.
They come to a city where the king see them, and he asks Ramu to be his minister for he is an educated person. So that is when the king says this line.
Okay. You know, the difference between a learning and earning is just an L. Okay. All right.
Kambalan kutra asti?
Huh?
Kambalan kutra asti?
Kambalan kutra asti.
Can you repeat?
Kambalan kutra asti?
Chanakya sahasti.
Oh, yeah,
Kambalan.
Yeah,
Is it right,
Chanukya
Mahoday?
Parshve asti. Chanukya Parshve asti.
Chanakyasya samipe asti.
Okay.
Mahoday, was that question right? You were saying something. I don't know.
तत्र कम्बलान् इति उक्तवती किल, अतः पृष्टवती सम्यक् अस्ति वा तत् इति.
Kambalan. Okay. What is
Kambalani?
No. What did you want to ask actually?
Where are the blankets?
Blankets. Blankets prathama
Kambalaha. Kambalaha.
prathama vibhakti ekavachanam kim asti?
Kambalani. Kambalani.
Ekavachane?
Kambalam.
Kambalam. No. Kambal.
Kambale. Kambalani.
Should be careful while using these words, whether it is Pumlinga or Strilinga, that you should pay attention.
Okay.
So the answer will be Chanakya Samipam or Chanakasya Utacham.
Both are right? Both will be okay, right, Mahoday?
Huh?
Both the answers will be right? Like even if we say Chanakyasya Udache Asti, is also fine, right?
What is the other answer?
Chanakyasya Samipe Asti.
Samipe.
Can I say Parshve?
Parshve.
Yeah.
Magadha Deshasya Mantri Kaha.
Chanakya.
Chandragupta.
Oh, no.
No, that is Nrupaha.
What did you answer?
Mantri.
Mantrika.
Mantri Chanakya.
Nrupasya nama kim?
Punaha.
Nrupasya nama kaha?
Nrupasya nama Chandragupta.
Chandragupta.
Yeah. Mahodaya, I want to ask you, in the exam, can the answer be scanned and send it as an email?
Email nasti Mahodaya. You have to submit like the way you do
The homework. Same way. I see. Hmm.
One of us will be there, myself or Bhanu Mahodaya will be there. In front of us, you will write the answers and submit.
Now, what about only the registration number should be written, is it? Not name.
No, name should not.
So registration number and then the answers and scan it and send it like the homework. Okay, good.
Okay.
Agre?
द्राक्षाफलानि किं खादुम् इच्छन्ति?
द्राक्षाफलानि किं खादितुम् इच्छन्ति?
कः द्राक्षाफलानि कः खादुम् इच्छन्ति?
जम्बूकः।
जम्बूकः।
जम्बूकः किं खादुम् इच्छति?
द्राक्षाफलानि खादुम् इच्छन्ति।
पण्डितः कुत्र अस्ति?
पंडितः काशीनगरे
वसति।
पंडितः
काशीनगरे वसति।
पंडितः किमर्थं प्रश्नं पृच्छति?
परीक्षार्थं
बुद्धिपरीक्षार्थं
प्रश्नं पृच्छति।
सन्तुष्टः गुरु अन्ते किं वदति?
त्वं बुद्धिमान् विद्याभ्यासार्थं तत्रैव वस।
तथैव
अत्रैव वस।
अत्रैव
कः बहु तृषितः?
वस इति वदति।
वस।
कः बहु तृषितः? सः किमर्थं भ्रमति?
जलार्थं।
घटे किम् अस्ति?
अल्पजलम् अस्ति।
घटे किञ्चित् जलम् अस्ति।
अल्पं जलं।
अल्पं।
काकः किं?
महोदय, can I say स्वल्प ज्वलं?
Yes, स्वल्पं जलं।
स्वल्पं जलं।
स्वल्पम् इति वक्तम्।
Okay, स्वल्पं।
स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते।
स्वल्पमेव। Okay.
काकः किं चिन्तयति?
जलं कथं
पिबामि इति चिन्तयति।
घटे किं क्षिपति?
शिलाकण्ठान्
आनयति।
We have to generally say only answer in one word this kind of questions.
शिलाकण्ठान्। राजकुमारः असमञ्जः कीदृशः आसीत्?
कीदृशः वा?
कीदृशः आसीत्?
दुष्टः आसीत्।
What is the question?
राजकुमारः असमञ्जः कीदृशः आसीत्?
राजकुमारः असमञ्जः दुष्टः आसीत्।
Just one word is enough for answer.
One word is enough. You don't have to write it in a sentence.
It depends on what they have given on the title, right?
Exactly. It depends on the question.
Yeah.
नकुलः कम् अपश्यत्?
नकुलः
सर्पम् अपश्यत्।
सर्पम् अपश्यत्।
गंगा तीरे कः आसीत्?
कः साधु आसीत्?
एकः साधुः आसीत्.
एकः साधुः आसीत्.
साधुः किं करोति?
साधुः बहु उपकारं करोति. अपकारं करोति, तस्य अपि उपकारं करोति.
कः क्षुधितः अभवत्?
वृद्धः.
वृद्धः वृक्षे कानि अपश्यत्?
आम्रफलानि
न पक्वानि आम्रफलानि.
वानरः कानि अक्षिपन्?
आम्रफलानि अक्षिपन्. वानराः आम्रफलानि अक्षिपन्.
अहितुण्डिकः कुत्र अगच्छत्?
ग्रामम्.
अन्यं ग्रामम्.
अन्यं ग्रामं.
पेटिका समीपं कः आगच्छत्?
पेटिका समीपे मूषकः.
कः कस्य मुखे अपतत्?
मूषकः सर्पस्य मुखे अपतत्.
कल्पतरवः कुत्र वर्तन्ते?
पुनरेकवारं वदतु महोदय.
कल्पतरवः कुत्र वर्तन्ते?
What is the first word?
कल्पतरवः.
कल्पतरु. कल्पतरवः.
कुत्र वर्तन्ते?
I don't know.
भूमौ.
कल्पतरवः अमरावत्यां
Kalpataru means Valkal, no? Valkal, no?
No. Kalpataru is iti Devalokasya vrikshaः.
Correct. Kalpataru, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
So where is that? What is that?
अमरावत्यां वर्तन्ते.
Yeah. Okay.
So
It
where
is
is
from
the question?
examples. They ask questions from the examples given in the textbook. So one question is Kalpataravah kutra vartante? Kalpataravah Amaravathyam vartante.
Which page is that?
I'll have to search.
Oh, okay.
I
It's
just
all right.
You
It's
can
all
give
right.
this as
Yeah.
So which lesson it belongs to? Which lesson? Kalpataram?
No. They're all examples, in each lesson, examples are given. Some questions come from that examples.
Oh, okay.
So can you repeat that? Kalpataram? Amravatiya.
Kalpataravah kutra vartante. That's a question. In one of the question papers, the answer is Kalpataravah Amaravatyam vartante.
Yeah. In fact, I can say Kalpataru Rukshaha Kalkata Nagare Asti.
Yeah, I think you
know the story
the
behind it.
sentence formation is more important than the
Yeah.
because it is not from a katha or from a Subhashitam. It is a general statements.
We can write Indraloke asti.
Indraloke asti, Swarge asti.
Agre.
Vriddhasya haste kaha adashat. Is that right?
Rushikaha.
I didn't follow the question. What is that?
Vriddhasya haste or hastam? Haste only, right? Vriddhasya haste kaha adashat.
No, sadhusya.
Sadhusya haste kaha adashat. Sadhoho, not sadhusya, right? Sadhoho haste kaha adashat.
Vrishchikaha?
Vrishika.
Yeah.
Vrishchika.
I have a question about Mahabharata, where it is written Mahatvat Bharatvat Mahabharat Muchyate. I want to understand this verse. So what is that meaning? Exact? Can you, Miss, can you explain? Mahatvat Bharatvatat Cha Mahabharat Muchyate.
Yeah, what the way I understand is in Mahabharatam, like Vidura Niti, Bhagavad Gita, and in all the and another one, Bhishma
Advice.
Yeah, Bhish advice.
Teachings.
Anyway, Bhishma's advice in Mahabharata, you have got so much of hidden jewels embedded. It is very it is such a high importance is given to the nitis, the pracharas that are in the Mahabharata, and that is why it is called a Mahatva Grantha, and that's what it is.
Okay.
To say in a simple word,
so
see
I want to know
the thing is, it is more slokas are there. It is the maximum. The Mahabharatam has the maximum number of slokas.
Okay, tell me how many slokas?
1 lakh.
1,25,000.
Yeah.
1,25,000.
Ramayana has how many shlokas?
29,000.
29.
When I last counted, it was 29, maybe more now.
Then the meaning also, the depth in the meaning is also, it is, we cannot say in any way anything else. The depth in, see, it has got so much of inner meaning.
Yeah.
So when you see that both together, so that is why it's called Mahabharatam.
That is
greatest
both in terms of volume and in terms of content.
The depth in the content.
Yeah, volume and
So
content.
I wanted to know the meaning of Bharavatvat.
Bhara, heavy.
Heavy,
Bhara
it's
is
heavy.
With so many verses and
so many verses. Yeah, the maximum verses like that.
Okay.
So Mahatvat, Bharavatvat.
Okay.
Yeah. This is volume and value. Okay. And I wanted to ask. Oh, Mahodaya, do they, in 18 parvas, do we have to remember the names of the parvas?
No, I don't think they will ask them.
Okay. How about the khandas?
Whatever is given in your book, only that will be asked. Nothing
Well,
beyond.
that is given though.
Mahodaya, in one question paper, they have asked
Gayatri
the
Mahodaya,
no, for you only I'm asking for Mahodaya. In one question paper, they have asked for Ramayana how many kandas are there.
Yeah, I was about to continue my question, but anyway, so do we have to remember all those things like how many kandas?
If it is given in your textbook,
Yes,
then
it is given.
you better remember them.
So we have to remember the Gana also.
What?
10 gana.
Gana.
Gana means
Vadi.
Swadi Gana.
Vadi,
Yeah,
huh.
like
Is it given there in your textbook?
It is given.
Then
is
you should
given.
remember.
But we have not covered them though.
Have they not done it in your tutorial?
No.
Okay.
In fact, no. I don't know
now
what
we will
Gana.
do. We have time. We still have time. Vadi Gana.
Okay.
Yes. Who will recite first?
I mean, how? We have not even done anything on that.
No, that is not taught at this level. You just have to memorize the names, that's all.
Vadi Gan, Swadi Gan, Tudadi Gan.
No. In an order. You should do it in an order. Whatever you do it in the proper order. Yes, Gayatri Mahodaya, open the book and start saying which is the page number for this?
180.
180. Okay.
Which lesson it comes?
180 page 1.
No, I don't have the hard copy. I have only the soft copy.
Whoever is having, they will do. Haraprasad Mahodaya.
I can read
chapter.
it. Yeah. There are 10 classes of verb roots. The 10 ganas. Starting from first one, it is Bhyavdihi, Adadihi, Juhotyadihi, Divadihi, Swadihi, Tudadihi, Tusht, Rudadihi, Tanadihi, Kriyadihi, and the last one is Churadihi. But we have not done any of this in the class, though. Not even taught that there are 10 ganas.
Okay.
We have not touched it.
Don't worry. Now you are learning, no? You still have 2 weeks. You can do it. Next, Harsha Mahodaya.
Can anyone tell me in which lesson? Sorry to disturb. In which lesson it comes?
10th lesson.
Chapter 10. Acharya Mahodaya. Okay. Acharya Mahodaya, what I have to
read?
Say?
Dasha Ganaha. You read their names.
Oh, names, okay.
And one example is given for each of them.
Okay. Bhavadihi.
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 No, Vadi.
Yadi.
Bha is not full there. Bhavadihi.
Vadihi.
Bhu dhatu. Bhavati. Adadihi. Ad. Atti. Juhotyadihi. U. Juhoti. Divadihi. Diva. Divyati.
Divyati. Divyati hrasvaha. ह्रस्व इकारः अस्ति धातुः किन्तु क्रियापदे दीर्घम् अस्ति दीव्यति.
ओके. दीव्यति. स्वादिः Sung
Hmm.
dhatu.
Hmm.
Sunoti.
Hmm.
Tudadihi.
Hmm.
Tud.
Hmm.
Tudati.
Hmm.
Rudhadihi.
Hmm.
Rudh.
Hmm.
Runadvi.
Runadhi.
Runadvi.
Runadhi.
Runadhi.
Runadvi.
Va nasti.
is-
Runadhi.
Runadhi.
Hmm.
Tanadihi.
Hmm.
Tan.
Hmm.
Tanoti.
Hmm.
Krayadihi.
Hmm.
Cringe. Krinati.
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 Hmm.
Churadihi.
Hmm.
Chur.
Hmm.
Choryati.
Chorayati. Hmm.
Mahoday, can you give some background about the whole thing? What are the 10
What
ganas?
happens is there are more than 2000 dhatus in Sanskritam. Okay. These dhatus, Panini Maharshi saw how people were speaking, how these dhatus were used by people. So he wrote many rules. Those rules are called sutras. In the form of sutras, he gave many rules, like these dhatus which are used, like now so it is krinati. Why it is not krinati? It is krinati only, no. So there should be some logic behind these things. Kridati, then pathati, gachati. All of them have some background. So he set them, all these 2000 dhatus, into 10 ganas. He divided these dhatus into 10 ganas. Each dhatu, each gana starts with the first dhatu which comes in that gana. Bhvadihi, bhu dhatu comes first. So bhu and others. Then adadihi, ad dhatuh asti, atah ad adihi. Juhotyadihi, juhotyadi ityatra hu ityeva dhatuh, kintu kriyapadam asti juhoti iti. Therefore it is juhotyadihi. Then div iti dhatuh asti, atah divadihi. Then swadihi, swadi su iti dhatuh, atah it starts with this. Like that, then tudadi comes. Tud iti dhatuh prathamah. Tasmin gane prathamah tud iti dhatuh asti, atah tudadihi. Tadanantaram rudhadihi, rudh iti prathamah dhatuh. Tanadihi, tan iti prathamah dhatuh tasmin gane. Kriyadihi, kri iti prathamah dhatuh. Churadihi, chur iti prathamah dhatuh. Evam.
So if it is krayadi means to buy something.
Krinati ityasti kila.
So in that group, so many like to buy means.
No, not everything buy. It goes with some other rules actually. It is not that all the dhatus in that gana, they indicate only buying.
It is the first one.
First one is buying. Krinati is buying. That's all.
Mahodaye, were you teaching these ganas, then the Panini Vyakarana, first class? These ganas only we are teaching, no?
Yes.
That you are telling.
This is what I was telling in that class, no?
Yeah, that's what I was remembering that.
Mahoday, so out of which gana has the maximum number of dhatus?
Bhadi only. It has more than 1050 or so.
Oh, the first one.
Yes.
I see. Hmm.
And
with
all these dhatus, they need not only ting pratyaya, like ti, taha and ti comes no in your kriya padas.
Yeah.
Along with that, one vikarana pratyaya comes for each gana. Each gana has a different pratyaya. Okay. After that pratyaya comes, then comes the this ting dhatu.
So it is dhatu plus
Vikarana
what?
pratyaya
Vikarana plus
then
ting
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
Yeah.
And
What
ting
is
pratyaya also, if it is parasmaipadi, then it is titaha anti iti, ting pratyaya.
Yeah.
If it is atmanepadi,
Te,
tatra
te. Yeah.
ta,
Now,
tam, jha, like that it will come.
the middle one you said vikarana.
Vikarana pratyaya.
Okay. What is that? We have not heard that one before.
That you will learn later. No? Now you
Okay.
just know the name, that is enough.
Okay. And then, so in these 2000 dhatus, depending upon, for example, the last one, Panini called churadihi, deals with chur, to steal. So does that gana have only things related to stealing, or can it have anything?
Nothing like that. None of the ganas have the same type of words.
Oh,
they are
okay.
grouped there because of some other prakriya. That you will learn at a later stage, not at this level.
I see. Okay, got it.
And here, madam, here it is given that vahanani margeshu sancharanti.
So vahanam marge sancharati.
Marge, no? Marge sancharati.
Marge. Tatra gam dhatuhu tad anyad.
No, gam dhatu is used for a second vibhakti when we somebody is going there.
Tadeva. Ataha marge vahanam.
Gramam gacchati, like that. Gramam gacchati. And grame vasati, like that. You know? Okay?
Astu. Anyat kinchit. See this. I thought these ganas, these things were all covered in your tutorial. That's why I didn't touch them. Now you are saying, what else is remaining? What else is not covered in this?
And this is also not covered.
Which one?
This, the some part, generally 10 lakaras are there. So which are that lakaras?
This is also not done, huh?
No.
Okay. There are.
What page number is
name
that?
the lakaras?
176.
176. Lakara, let lakara, lot lakara.
There is an order. There is an order. You must go by that order.
Lat, late.
No.
Lut.
Lit. See, lat akaraha. Lit ikaraha. Like that. In that order they have given. So you learn in that way. So you don't forget anything. Lat, lit, lut, lit.
Lot, late lot. Lung,
Lungling. Late lot, lungling.
Oh, it is. I think it is like this, Mahoday, the way I understand. Let is akara.
That's what.
Lit is ikara. Lut is ukara. Root is rukara. Late is yakara. Out is
lot.
Out. And lung is
there also. Once you are finished with the ta, you are going to lung, ling, lung, ring.
Oh, I see. Oh,
Then it
oh,
becomes
okay.
easier to remember.
Correct, correct.
Yes.
Yeah, got it. Oh, very nice.
Then this tiptas jhi, parasmaipadi dhatus, see, they have given that thing pratyayas. Parasmaipadyam tiptas jhi, sipthastha, mip vasmas. Atmanepadyam ta atam jha, tha satham dhvam, it vahing mahing.
Okay.
Oh, can you explain with the slides or something?
It's on
For
page
this, I have not prepared
177 top.
anything.
Yeah.
I thought all these things were covered in your class.
No, it was not.
Okay.
And what is Ashirling? Means
Ashirvachanam.
Ashirvachanam. Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Vidiling, that is lot.
Vidhi, niyamanam, like that.
Command.
I see.
Command, like you should do this. You should do this, like that.
Astu.
Mahodaya, all this is summed up in a verse in page number 178. Lang vartamane, leng vede.
Lat vartamane kila.
No, lung.
Lung.
No, lat. No, it's lat.
Vartamana kala is lat lakara.
No. I know that.
No,
But in the slope, page
In the
number
sloka.
178.
Yeah.
Lat,
It is
lat
lad.
vartamane.
It is lad. It is lad.
It is written lad vartamane. Leng
Laid
vede.
vede.
It is ing only is there in
Ing
the
is
slope.
not
No,
there.
it is not ing, Mahodaya.
Da.
It is da.
Gayatri Mohdaya, Eka Nimisha. Acharya Mohdaya. Now, can you explain that simple words? Is it lad or lung?
Lad vartamane. Dakaraha asti tatra.
How come?
Ta becomes da. There is a sandhi.
Oh, okay. It is lad vartamane.
Even if you write lat dash vartamane, no problem. They will accept.
Okay.
I think
Leng vede means it is in Bhutkal.
Bhutakale kim asti lung lang lit.
Lung, lung, lit. Correct. Yeah.
lung lung lit.
Then vidhi ashishaha. Vidhi ashishaha. These two have ling lot. Then ring ritau lung bhavishyati. Bhavishyat kale kim asti?
Lit and lung.
Ring. Rit.
Ring, rout, rit, and lung.
Lung.
So you make a chart. Make a chart and share it with everybody. One of you do it so that everybody is benefited.
Okay.
Avagatamba? See, whatever is not covered, you should tell me in advance so that I prepare something and come back to you. If you keep quiet, I will think, okay, everybody has studied well. They have no questions. Today I was surprised that I didn't get any questions from anybody. So I thought, oh, everybody is so well prepared. Huh? That was the feeling I got.
Mahodaya, what's the pass mark for the exam?
35.
Don't worry, we'll all do well, but only you need to be thorough. Like urgency will not do. Writing fast, I want to finish, not like that. Whatever you do a thorough job.
Actually, yeah.
If you have any questions, you please post.
See, in this Sangraha Vishaya, we will they can ask the filling the blanks in Sangra Vishya. So we should know all the slokas.
Yes, you must know.
It is difficult. It is
No, nothing
to
is
remember.
difficult. You can do.
The thing is, if they ask from the examples given in the book, that is the thing, Mahodaya. Questions from the examples.
Nothing comes
You can't memorize.
out of your book. Everything will be from this book only. You do one thing of chapter by chapter. You work thoroughly so that you don't miss out on anything. You still have 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks are
Yeah.
there. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, Mahodaya.
So only thing required is practice. That's all. Nothing else. Swagatam?
Yeah.
If you have any questions, don't wait for next week. You can post the question in WhatsApp or Signal. I'll answer. Okay.
Oh, sure.
Maybe not immediately. At least by next day, I should be able to answer.
So in the 10th lesson, it is the Pratham Purus, Tip, thus, he means we have to remember this.
Yes. If it is given here, you must remember.
So we haven't learned this Tip, thus.
Prathama Purusha. See, ti, gachati, pathati. That is tip. Then gachataha. That sakara becomes visarga.
Visarga. Acha, okay. Acha, sa is visarga.
Sa is not visarga. There is a prakriya.
Sutras it changes into. Sutras change it into visarga.
Gachati, gachataha, gachanti. Tatra G goes and gachanti.
So what is that Sipa and Mipa?
That is also gachati, gachataha, gachanti, gachasi. That pakara goes. Gachasi, gachatha.
So pakara goes. So, acha, okay.
Like that. But you cannot remove it directly. You will apply so many sutras. That is called prakriya.
So that we should learn tip and yip and mip like that.
Yes. Tip tas jhi, sip tas tha, mip was mas, ta atam jha, thas atham dhvam, it vahin mahin.
Still to remember a lot.
Yes, you can do it. Huh? You do one thing. You don't panic. If you panic, you will forget. What you have to do is, you by heart only the Parasmaipadi part you by heart today. Post it with post it to some of your classmates by writing or by audio. Audio works faster actually. Yeah. Then tomorrow you do Atmanepadi. Next day you do both. Like that. It won't take more than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Swagatam?
Yes. So we'll be meeting next week also, Mahodaya.
If you feel there is no need, I have no problem.
No. We will meet some final touches.
Today we could have done it in the beginning. I didn't know that it was not covered. We could have done it with more details also. It's okay, no problem. Anyhow.
No problem. What happened was some of us, couldn't attend the regular classes we attend, but the tutorials. So probably I thought it is done there. We didn't know.
No. Yeah, even I was under the impression.
So we are doing tutorial with Kartik Mahoday, not with R. Narayanji.
Okay.
So I could attend only Kartik Mahoday, and that in that tutorial we haven't covered this Gana and this tip and thing and everything.
Okay. Don't worry. You still have 2 weeks. No problem. You can do. All the other topics you are thorough with them. Only these things, whatever you are.
I think 2-3 days continuously you go through it. I think you will become clear.
Yeah.
Astu? Samapayami. Yeah. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ